train travels 2,200 miles from Phoenix to New York City. Hey, I live there. The train covers the first 240 miles in 5 hours. If the train continues to travel at this rate, how many more hours will it take to reach New York City? We're supposed to round our answer to the nearest whole hour, which is a good indication that whatever we get will not be an integer, so don't freak out when that happens. Okay, let's see what we got. It's a 2,200 mile trip total. We've already gone 240 miles. So minus the 240 miles already. And that leaves, let's see, 1,960 miles left over. So that's what we still have to travel. Now, to figure out how long it's going to take to do those 1,960 miles, it would really help to know our rate in miles per hour. So let's think about that. Miles per hour, that's just miles divided by hours. That's what per means, is division. So miles divided by hours, they gave us this rate of 240 miles in 5 hours. And we're going to keep that steady rate for the rest of our trip. So if we do 240 divided by 5, we will get the speed in miles per hour. What is 240 divided by 5? Using some short division, 5 goes into 24 4 times. That would be 20, so there are 4 left over. And 5 goes into 40 8 times evenly. So 48 miles per hour is our rate. So in 1 hour, we go 48 miles. We have so much more than that. We have 1,960 miles to go. So to figure out how long this is going to take us to do, let's do 1,960 divided by 48. And again, we are going to have to round our answer, so I'll add a couple zeros in the event that this is going to be a weird looking decimal. Now, I know that this division problem doesn't look good, and our first question is going to be, how many times does 48 go into 196? Those are some kind of big numbers. But I'm looking at the answer choices for guidance, and I see they all start with 4. They're all 40-something. So I think there's a good bet 48 will go into 196 4 times. Let's just check. 48 times 4, what is that? 192. So it went in 4 times. That would be 192. So there are 4 left over. I'm using short division here. 48 goes into 40 0 times with a bunch left over. But really what I'm getting at is this is 40 point something. Look at the answer choices. There's only one possible answer, 41, because 40 point something will either round to 40 or 41. 40 is not an answer choice. So there we have it. 41 must be the answer.